Shawty, don't you leave for the night, no, you don't know my name. Lately all these bitches want is my fame. You don't know that you the one on my brain. I hit you with that late night text when I'm on the road, girl.
Hey girl, hey. So we're just going to jump right into this video. I'm going to show you guys how I make my favorite hair mask. So I'm going to be using avocado. My avocado isn't quite ready, but it's fine because I'm going to smash it up. So the reason I'm using avocado is because it helps rejuvenate and moisturize the scalp. It is rich in protein, amino acids, and vitamins. Avocado helps to soothe the scalp and promotes long, strong, healthy hair growth. And that's what we want while doing this hair mask. So depending on the thickness of your hair, you guys can use the whole avocado. I'm only going to use half, and then I'm going to smash it up. Again, this avocado wasn't ready, so you kind of want to make sure you smash it up very well so you're not having any chunks in your hair mask. If you do, it's okay. But you guys can blend it in a blender. There's multiple ways you guys can do it, but if this avocado was ready, it would be more smoother to mash up. So yeah, so just keep that in mind while doing this mask. So mayonnaise is definitely a major key in adding into your hair mask because it adds shine and it does strengthen the hair from the root to the tip. Also too, the egg is high in protein and it helps strengthens the hair follicles, making it more thicker. And then using olive oil, or you can use avocado oil, that also helps deeply moisturize the hair. So all of these ingredients are super important and they play a different role while making this hair mask. So my major key ingredient is adding honey into my hair mask. It does reduce hair breakage and hair loss, and it does keep the hair strong and healthy. So I just love honey because it has so many great benefits. So now we're going to mix everything. Make sure that you guys are really mixing this really well. If you are not using any tools, if you're just using your fork, use the fork to smash up the avocado if possible. So yeah, I'm just going to mix this all up and it's going to be ready to be used. So here I am looking like yesterday's mistakes, and my hair is dry. It looks crazy. It is not cute and popping. So I do like to do my face mask while I do my hair mask. I don't know why, that's just my thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and basically wet my hair. I don't like to put my hair mask on dry hair. I do like to make sure that my hair is damped, and I actually detangle and comb my hair to make sure that the application of the hair mask is smooth. The brush that I'm using I got from Amazon. I will have the link to my Amazon hair cart, so you guys can check that out if you would like to purchase anything that I'm using in this video. So yeah, so I'm just sectioning off my hair, combing it, and I'm going to apply the mask on the left and the right side, as you guys will see. Now this could be very messy. You guys can either apply your hair mask above your sink or by the toilet. I like to make sure that whatever falls drops into the toilet and I could just flush it versus having chunks of stuff in my sink. So this process is very messy and it feels cold and slimy, so it does feel weird. So yes, I'm going to apply this all over my hair, and I want to make sure that I'm also scrubbing this into my scalp. That is the main important thing as far as doing this hair mask, and getting it by my edges and also focusing on my ends of my hair. And then I'm going to twist it into a bun and then basically secure it with a hair tie. I'm also going to be doing the same exact process to the other side, making sure I'm getting this product into my scalp edges and my ends, and then also twisting the hair into a little two space buns, and then I'm gonna pour the rest of the mask. I don't want to waste any products, so I kind of want to use everything that I have. And then I'm also gonna take my fingers and kind of scrub this into my scalp. Yeah, it's very, very messy, so keep notes. So now that I'm done, I'm going to take a plastic bag. You guys can use a clear plastic shower cap. I just don't have one. And you're going to basically lock in that moisture using the shower cap or a bag. And I'm going to let this sit on my hair for 30 minutes. You guys can do 15 to 30 minutes, or you guys can do 30 minutes to an hour. That's all personal preference depending on how much time you may have. And then after that, I'm going to rinse and wash my hair. So I am washing my hair with cold water. This was so hard to record, you guys. Shout out to the girls that do videos like this, because, bitch, I was struggling. Anyways, so I'm going to take that same comb that I detangled my hair, and this is basically my brush that I use in the shower. And I'm just basically going through detangling and just combing out my hair and rinsing everything with cold water. Again, I will have these products that I use. This is my shampoo and conditioner that I have been using in my hair faithfully for over a year now, and I love it. So yeah, so this is pretty much the whole process. There is no chunks in my hair, and I think that's due to the fact that I've rinsed it out and then washed it and then combed it. So that has helped. So yeah, and I also leave my conditioner onto my hair for 15 minutes. So now that I'm out the shower, I just like to let my hair dry in a cotton t-shirt. I do not use any towels onto my hair. And yeah, just kind of let it rock like this, and then I'll style it maybe an hour after just letting it air dry. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please let me know. Make sure you like, comment, and share this video, and I see you guys in my next one. Mwah.